Swinging pose or Lolasana is a challenging, unbalancing, and core strengthening asana that requires strong arms and shoulders. The name comes from the Sanskrit. Lo means tickle, trembling or dangling, and asana means posture or pose. Lolasana is also known as pendant pose in English. Begin in Vrajasana. Place your hands on the block alongside with the legs. Lean forward and cross at the ankles. Inhale as you do so to get strength from the core. Exhale as you lengthen your upper torso and lift the knees towards the chest. From there, the torso and shoulders curl more forward until the body forms a ball and the arms extend further to raise the legs off the ground. The ankles remain crossed. With the body tucked into a ball, you can rock between the arms like a swing or hold in a position at a comfortable length of time. To release, exhale and slowly lower down back into Vrajasana.